Welcome, today I'm showing you how to customize a quick launch into a Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and find additional settings. In this menu, go into Gangster and Shortcuts option. And how you can see, we got 4 options of our quick launch. First option is launch Google Assistant. You can activate or turn on or disable this option. Take screenshot. Here we got options with volume down plus power key or slide 3 fingers down. Launch camera, double press to power button or double press to volume down when the screen is locked, for example. And last one, turn on touch, double press to power key. And you can activate, customize and turn off this option how you can want. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.